Welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today I'm going to do a look with a Glamlite taco palette, or Viva taco palette. If you don't know, this might go up before. I just filmed a look with the hamburger palette because I thought y'all I would. So if you see any remnants of, I don't know, colors on my eyeball, that's what it's from. And throw this up tomorrow because actually tomorrow, at 10 in the morning, she's releasing a mini version of this that has like 8 to 10 shades, something like that. So this one has 7, 12, 15 shades. It's called the Street Taco Palette. I love this, how it looks, so cute. I'm dying to use this so I could use it at work, even though I've been like really enjoying the palettes I've been using at work. How this looks is so pretty. I figured we'd go a little bit more springy. I keep going towards like the oranges and purples and stuff like that, but I didn't go purple. I went like a violet, not even a violet color, like a red violet color, and a pink-ish, pink goldish color with the hamburger palette. So I'm like, hey, maybe we can do that purple. I haven't done like that purple. I just want to play with this so much. Let's see what happens. I have no plans for my eye, and no one's told me what al pastor is. I'm gonna have to look that up apparently. I've been so impressed, like even the Glamlite, the look I just did. Like I used a mustard yellow and it showed up fantastically, but it was like a bright mustard yellow, not like a deep mustard yellow. So I'm gonna go with guacamole, which is kind of the lightest transition shade you can go in with this one. We can blow out the crease. There we go. So buildable. It's good. It already prime. It looks like it creased a little bit. Like my last look of the night. We're ignoring this little patchiness that is just primer, and oh my gosh, it was so hard to remove that palette because I don't have my Garnier micellar water, cheaper micellar water, and then makeup remover wipes, and that's not what you need to take off Glamlite shadows. Nope. You need micellar water, even when it's oil based. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw a lime, which is like a deeper one, or like a meadow green. Onions, probably inner corner and a little bit on the lid. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, so it's not a total white. It looks freaking white in the pan, but it actually has a gold shift to it. Yeah. Oh yeah. It looks white in the pan. It's not. That's fine actually. It's a little less stark. I'm gonna keep it more green. I'm gonna go into cilantro. The shade's funny. It's like a green shift in it. I don't know if it's showing up on the eyes, but in pan you can see. Gum Radish is this a shimmer? But I wouldn't want to go in that. Oh my gosh, I love that shade. I'm gonna give her some of that green. I don't care. That is so freaking gorgeous. Going to Carnitas just to deepen that outer just a pin. Almost Mardi Gras. If I added gold, it would be more Mardi Gras. So very pretty. I'm guessing when you go into Guatemala, you line. Ooh, okay, that one's a mess, and I knocked that off. Okay. Clean that off. Yes, on average, I use about 7 shades or so or more to look. So, just gonna go with that. I swear, if that was a little bit more gold, I mean, it's a light gold, like, it's supposed to be like whitish shade, but it's gold. I look Mardi Gras. So I think that's pretty good. I mean, I was looking. Don't ask me why I look Mardi Gras. I just do. Because I want to try that purple out. Green, which I don't normally go for this combo. Green, purple. Green, gold, yes. Green, purple, not so often. So, I think it's gorgeous. They blend out really good. The only color you have to pack on is that lime, which sometimes that happens with the white-based colors. With the lime. Or at least on my skin. But mine's the really picky one that certain colors, certain light colors just don't want to show up right. So here's the look. I'm not applying mascara or eyeliner because I am going to wash this off real quick. And I know some people are like, plus I couldn't find freaking mascara. They've all disappeared. I had like 5 in here the other day. I don't know where they're at. So, seriously. Oh, no, hold on. Let's apply a look. So we're going to go spoonful of sweet from NYX Lip Tease Olive Formula in New Orleans. It goes. Don't ask me. It was total unintentional. Unintentional. Needs to tell it can a little sheer. Could be it's almost out. Look at that pigment. So anyway, there's the look. No mascara because I cannot find one in here. Legit. And yeah, no liner. Just to show the eyeshadows. Just to play around. A bunch of colors. Have fun. So anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles.